Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, I am going to explain two topics called animation and transition as you are able to see on the board. Okay, so what is animation and what is the transition? So first of all, come to the point that is called animation. Animation is nothing but just the moving object. Okay, as you see the cartoon movies, so the cartoon character will keep moving, but actually what is that? That is the drawing, and with the help of computer or any graphic software we use to move the cartoon character in such a way that it looks like living thing. Okay, so the animation is called the moving object. Whenever we move an object within the page, be careful, within the page. Suppose, what is the meaning of within the page? Suppose this one is your page, okay, and if I write here some text, okay, like if I write India here, okay, and if you start moving this object, this one is the object, text is there, but I called this one as an object. Okay, so if I start moving this object upwards, downward, right, left, top to bottom, on diagonals, then within the page, if this object start moving, then this is called animation. Okay, that means there is a page, and within the page we start moving the objects. So these kind of moving objects are called the animation. Okay, within the page if something is moving, then that is called the animation. Then what is the transition? Okay, transition is also the moving effect. Okay, transition is also the moving effect, but when one page changes to another page. Okay, suppose this one is page 1 and this one is page 2, suppose. Okay, so when we change from page 1 to page 2, that means suppose we are doing some work on page 1 and then move to the page 2. So while changing the page, if some effect will appear, that effect is called the transitions. Okay, you may take the example in my video channel. There is a video called Tribute. The title of the video is Tribute. So I made it for the Teachers Day. Okay, for the teachers of our school. So in that video, from one, you can, if you play that video, the link is provided in the description box. So when you play that video, so one photo and there is another photo, there are a combination or collection of photos. Okay, so from one photos and second photos, when we change from one photos and second photos to the second photo, so there is in between there is a effect. Okay, then while changing the photo there is a effect. Okay, so that effect is called the transition. So same as here, the page 1 is, this one is page 1 and this one is page 2. So if the page 1 is changes to page 2, so that effect is called the transition while changing the page. That means this, if we moving from page 1 to page 2, the effect appears here, then it is called transition. Okay, that means transition happens between the pages. एक पेज से दूसरे पेज चेंज कर रहे हैं, तब उस टाइम पे जो इफेक्ट डाल रहे हैं वो होता है हम लोग का ट्रांजिशन. एंड व्हाट इज द एनिमेशन? व्हेनेवर वी अप्लाई द इफेक्ट विद इन द पेज, पेज के अंदर हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे, डालेंगे इफेक्ट, तो उसको बोलेंगे क्या हम लोग? एनिमेशन. Okay, so what is the difference between the animation and transition? That means firstly the animation is within the page, apply on the object. And what is transition? Transition is also an effect but appears when we change the slide from one place to another place, or one page to another page. Okay, so that is the animation and transition. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please go through your book, read the book line by line, how to apply slides and how to apply transition, it is there. Okay, next video I will make on how practically I will show you how to apply transition on the slides. So in this video I am going to bind up this video with this animation and transition. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this one. If you're not able to understand, please make the comment or review the video again and with this time with the book. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.